Hello everyone. Yes, today I'm going to walk you through the artificial intelligence quiz preparatory question and answer. So in our quiz, we will have 4 parts. So in part A is a single choice question. So in part A, uh, there will be like 10 questions for preparations. So here's the question number 1. So what is intelligent machine? So then I have two options for you, A and B. So A is intelligent machine is the flexible machine which can provide flexible answers. So B intelligent machine is a kind of machine is a kind of machine that can perform various anthropomorphic tasks in environment by learning autonomously or interactively. So B is the correct one. Okay? So B is the correct answer. Okay. So question number two. Who is the inventor of the artificial intelligence? So you know Albert Einstein and John McCarthy. So John McCarthy is the correct one. Okay. So I put the green letter here is mean the correct answer. So 3, what is the intelligent system? Okay, so we have A and B. So B is the correct answer. Okay, so intelligent system is a system that can be try or operate intelligent machine to reach its goal. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Okay, and number 4, what is the goal of artificial intelligence? So we have A and B. So B to explain various sort of intelligence. So B is the correct answer. Okay. And what is intelligent artificial intelligence ability? So we have A and B. So B is the wrong and A is the correct one. Yeah, so A is the correct answer. And then we go to number 6. Number 6, the related field of artificial intelligence. So we have related field. We have like computer science, linguistics, psychology, biology, mathematics, and philosophy. So A is the correct one. And number 7, strong artificial intelligence is, so I have B and A and B. So A is the correct answer. The study of mental faculty through the use of mental model implemented on the computers. Yeah. Or okay. And then we go to H. The measurement of performance of an AI agent is measured using, we have learning agent and training agent. So the correct one is A, learning agent. Number 9, how many types of observing environments are there? So usually we have 2 and 3. So A 2 and B 3. So the correct one is 2. So there are 2 types of observing environment, fully observed and partial observed. So A is the correct answer. Okay. So question number 10. So how does an AI agent interact with its environments? So we have A and B. So A is the correct answer. Usually AI using sensor and it perceives. Yeah. We call AI agent perceive and acts upon the environment using sensor and actuator. With sensor it sends the sound surrounding and with the actuators it act on it. Yeah. So 10 is the correct one. Question number 11. So what is the work of task environment and relational agent? So we have A and B. So B is problem and solution. So task environment provide an issue and relational agent provide corresponding solution. Yeah. Okay. So now we finish part A. We go to part B. Part B is a multiple choice question. So here I have many answers. So all you need to do is just circle the correct answer. So only one answer is correct. So like here we have 4 different answers. So what are the different type of artificial intelligence approach? So we have A, strong approach, B, weak approach, and C, apply approach, and D, all about. So the correct answer is all about. Okay, and number 2, which of the following is a type of artificial intelligence agent? So we have learning agent, we have simple reflex agent, we have goal-based reflex agent, and all about. Yeah, so all about is correct because usually in AI agent we have five different agent. We have like simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based reflex agent, utility-based agent, and learning agent. Yeah. Okay. So which of the following symbol is the AI logical symbol? And so we have negation, we have conjunction, we have implication, and all about. So the correct answer is D, all about. Yeah. The number 4, the proposition of symbol in AI are, we have true and false, we have true, false, and null, true and false. So the correct answer is A, we have only true and false. And number 5, which of the following is not an application of artificial intelligence? We have computer vision, we have natural language processing, we have database management system, and then we have digital assistant. So database management system is not an application of artificial intelligence. So C is the correct answer. So which of the following is the command language for artificial intelligence? So here we have Python, we have Lib, we have Java, and PHP. So Python is a very common language that they use to develop the artificial intelligence. Okay. And number 7, which of the following is not a type of AI? So we have weak AI, we have theory of mind, we have reactive machine, we have all about. So reactive machine is not a type of AI. So C is the correct answer. Number 8, how many types of recognition are there in AI? So we have 5, 3, 2, and 1. So usually we have 3 types of recognition in AI. We have biometrics identification, content-based image retrieval, handwriting recognition. So B is the correct answer. We have 3. Yeah. Number 9, how many types of quantification are there in AI? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, 2. So there are 2 types of quantification in AI, universal and existential, but existential. So we have 2. So B is the correct one. Number 10, P is an abbreviation for what? So P can stand for peace, environment, action, sensor, peace, environment, actuator, center, performance, environment, actuator, sensor, performance, environment, actuator. So P here stands for what is the correct one? We have performance, so C is the correct one. Yeah, we have performance, environment, actuator, and sensor. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Part C is just a kind of logical intelligence. So all you need to do is just circle the correct answer and also explain its solution. Now question number 1, we have one table with the 4 column and 4 row. So which number should replace the question mark here? So question mark here, yeah. So I put number 2. So why is number 2? Number 2 is the correct answer. So you look at this table, you see if we think about the value of column 1 minus the column 2, that is called the value of column 3 plus column 1. You see, like column 1 we have 10, and then 10 minus 8 just is equal 2, right? Yeah, so minus 8 is equal 2, and 2 is equal 1 plus 1. So the third column here plus the fourth column. So then we got 2, right? So you go look down, 17 minus 7, yeah, 17 minus 7. Then we got 10, yeah, in the second row, yeah. And then it is called the third column, 3 plus 7, so 10, right? Yeah. So and then the third row of the first column, 15 minus 12, then we got 3, right? And 3 here just is equal 1 of the third column plus 2 of the fourth column. 1 plus 2 is equal 3, yeah. And here the fourth row of the first column minus, yeah, the second row of the first column. Yeah, so 9 minus 3 is equal what? 1. Yeah, 1 times what? So here is question. So 1 times what is equal 3. So only 2, right? So 1 times 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So during the quiz, you need to write the short explanation like this. Yeah, that's what I just write about. And number 2, which number should replace the question mark? Okay, so here we have one table with 3 columns and 4 rows. Yeah, so I put number 12. Okay, so why is number 12? You have to explain. See, so you look at the column 1. If we times the column 1 with column 2, yeah, column 1, the value of column 1 is 7, and you times with 5, you got 35. Yeah, so the value of column 1 you time with the value of column 2 is equal the column 3. Yeah, so like age you time with 9, then you got 72, right? And 23 you time with 15, you got 345. So 13 time with which number to get 155? So you just, let's say question mark is just an x, so you want to find the value of x here, so you just takes 155 divide by 13, you got 12. So then 13 times 12, you got 155. So the correct answer is 12. Okay. Yeah. So now we go to number 3. What is the missing letters? So here we have one table with 3 column and 4 row. We have E, C, C, O, things like this. So here you look at the question mark. So what is the missing letter? I put L. You know why L? Because according to A, B, C alphabet, we have in order we have A, B, C until Z. We have 26. 26 letter, right? So see, look at here. E just in what? In which uh, number? So E in the order of number 5, right? And C in the order of number 3. So if you just time the first column with the second column, so E stand in number 5 and C stand in number 3. So in 3 times 5 is for 15. So 15 letter what? Letter O, right? So letter O here is in 15. Okay. And then B in just letter 2, right? B just in the number 2, in the order of number 2. So an A, letter A in the order of number 1 from A to Z, we have 26. Yeah. So here is for B, so B 2, right? So 2 plus 1 is for 2. And go to G is in the what? In the order of number 7. So B in the number 2, so 7 plus 2 is equal 14. The 14 is N, right? So you put N here. Then F in the order of, look at here, F in the order of 6, right? 6, and B in the order of 2. So 6 times 2, 12. So 12, the order of 12 is letter L. So L is the correct answer. Okay. And number 4, which number should replace the question mark? So here I put number 4. So why number 4? So you look here in our table, we have 4 row and 4 column. So if you time the value of first column with second column, or column 1 with column 2, you will got is called column 3 time column 4. So if you sum this one, like 17 sum with 8 is called 5 times 5. So the column 1 plus column 2 is called column 3 times column 4. This is what I explained. So here we got 25, right? So 17, at h is equal 25. So it's equal 5 times 5. Here the second row, 13 add 7 is equal 5 times 4, so 20, right? 17 plus 7 is equal 20. So and then the 6 plus 12 is equal 18. So it's equal here 6 times 3 is equal 18. And the fourth row we have 10 plus 6, so it's equal 16. So 16 which number times which number to get 16? Here we have the fourth, in the third column we have number 4, and the fourth column is just question mark. So only 4 times 4, then we got 16. So the correct answer is number 4. Okay. Or we can just summarize like that. For the each row of sum of the first 2 columns just is equal to the multiple of the last 2 columns. Okay. Number 5. So what number does not belong to the family of number listed below? You look here, we have like 3 row and then 3 column and 5 row. You look at all the number in this table, so only 19 is different. So why different? Because all the value in this table are even number, only 19 is the odd one, right? So 19 cannot divide it by 2, right? So which of the number does not belong? Question number 6. So it's the same, right? So this one is, we have 3 3 column and 4 rows, so only 17 is the odd number because it cannot divide it by 2, right? And number 7, we have which number should come next in this series. We have 25, 24, 22, 20, 19 and 14, 15. So the answer is what? The answer is C, right? So you know why it's C? Because you look the pattern, it decrease -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You see 25 to 24 is just -1. Then from 24 to 22, yeah, -2, and 22 to 19 just -3, it decrease 3. Or from 19 to 15, -4, and then 15 to 1, yeah, 15 to 10, right? -5. So just to come, it means the number just decrease 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we go to number 8. Number 8, at the end of a banquet party, there are 10 people shake hands with each other. So how many handshake will there be in the total? Yeah, so we have 5 answer. So if you shake hand, the correct answer is what? Here, we have like this one is 45, it's not 40. Yeah, so I had to check it. Yeah, so we have 120, 50 and 90, so the correct answer should be 45. So this one is not 40, 45. Let me check it. Okay, and here is 16, 15, 1, 35 is P2S, 12, 15, 22 and 5 is P2 1. So the correct answer is love. You know why love? Because here, you know, according to ABC alphabet letter, right? So L is stand for 12 and O 15, yes, and V just stand for 22 and E stand for 5. Yeah. So question number 10, yeah, the day before yesterday is 3 days after Saturday. So what day is it today? So the correct answer is what? It's Friday. Yes, so Friday is the correct answer. So it's the final part is part D. Part D is a kind of like pattern intelligence. So all you need to do is circle the correct answer. So you look at the diagram following. So here is the image. You can see something like this. Yeah, you look at like C, D, E. So we have F. Yeah, this we have O, T, L. So the correct answer is A. So A is the correct one. Because you look all the character are letter back to back. See, like C back to each other, D back to each other, E back to each other. So according to ABC order, so we have C, D, E, and then F, right? So F is the correct answer. So A is the correct one. Number 2, you look at this picture, how many triangle shapes are there in this diagram? So we have like 17, 20, and 24, and 27. So in order, 27 is the correct one. Okay. And number 3, how many four side shapes this diagram has? So if you count this diagram, we will got 27 triangle. We call rectangle. We call a four side shape, right? Yeah. And number 4, which of the figure shown below complete the sequence? So we have here B, D, F, right? The like thing. So it's the same like the first question, means the letter back to back, yeah, like B back to each other, and D and then F. So according to the alphabet order, so it's B, D, F, and then what? H. So B is the correct answer, right? Yes. Yeah. And go to number 5. So how many blocks make up this shape below? So you look at this one. You see, if you count, we have 28, 18, 25, 17, and 26. So 27 is the correct one, right? Okay. And go to number 6. Number 6, you have to choose the odd one out. So you look at this image. We have 5 different images. So which one is different from the other? So you have to choose one. So here, so only number 2 is the only white hand face to the left, and the other just face to the right. Yeah, so number 2 is the correct one. Okay, number 7, which of the following diagram is odd one out? So if you look, right, so D is the correct answer because D is the only diagram where the intersection here does not form the original shape. The other just like become square, yeah, a triangle, rectangle, but here is not circle. Number 8, which one of the Rubik's cube below can be part of the sequence? So we have here, right? Yeah, A, B, C, and D. So which one is the sequence 1? So the correct one is C. C is the second one. Yeah. Okay. And question number 9. Which of the diagram results from folding the diagram on the left? So if you fold this piece of paper, you will get many shapes, right? So A, B, C, and D. So A is the correct one. Okay, then our final question. So find the picture that follow logically from the diagram to the right. So here you look at the picture, we have three pictures and we have the answer A, B, C, and D. So which one is the correct one? So A is the correct one. Okay, so that's all for our quiz preparatory question. So hopefully you can understand everything. If you have any question, just yeah ask me in the Telegram. Yeah. Okay. So I'll see you again. Okay. Thank you.